In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Behance profile quickly and easily. First, log in to your Behance account and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Profile from the drop-down menu. On your profile page, click the Edit Profile button. Here you can update your profile photo, cover image, display name, and username. You can also add or change your bio, location, and personal or professional links. Make sure to fill out your information accurately and professionally, as this represents your personal brand to potential clients and collaborators. Once you've made the desired changes, click Save to update your profile. Your new details will now be reflected across your projects and public profile. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Behance profile to better showcase your work and identity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Behance and design tutorials.